My video guide is about removing the misleading pop-ups that come from the site Boot-upoverlyprogressiveinfo-file.info. This is a long name of the website, and it claims that you need to install some update for your Google Chrome browser. But the reality is that this is a fake fake Google Chrome update alert. Its real purpose is to force people into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions for the Google Chrome browser. Currently, the extension that is promoted is called Movie Database. This extension may periodically show advertisements not related to the sites that you visit, and also it may change the default search engine in some cases. Therefore, if you see these fake alerts by this site Boot-upoverlyprogressiveinfo-file.info, be very careful, don't ever interact with them. Now, if any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures. And of course, you should get rid of such third-party extensions as soon as possible. So go to the menu, More Tools, then Extensions. If you see any third-party extensions here on the list, you need to get rid of them. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.